Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolled enchiladas. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a package of corn tortillas, your preferred protein like seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken, and a generous amount of enchilada sauce. Don't forget plenty of shredded cheese, perhaps a mix of Monterey Jack and cheddar, for both the filling and the topping. Having everything prepped makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the heart of your enchiladas, the filling and tortillas. If using meat, cook and season it thoroughly, then shred or crumble it finely. For the tortillas, warming them is key. You can wrap them in a damp paper towel and microwave for about 1 minute, or quickly fry them in a lightly oiled pan for 5 to 10 seconds per side. This makes them soft and flexible, preventing any cracking during the rolling process. Now for the fun part, assembly. Begin by spreading about 1/4 cup of enchilada sauce across the bottom of your baking dish. Take a softened tortilla and dip it into the warm enchilada sauce, ensuring both sides are coated. Place about 1/3 cup of your prepared filling and a generous handful of cheese down the center. Roll the tortilla tightly, then place it seam side down in the baking dish. Repeat this process until your dish is full. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious enchiladas. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas, making sure they are well covered. Then, generously sprinkle the remaining 1 to 2 cups of shredded cheese over the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly golden. Let them cool for a few minutes, then garnish with fresh cilantro or sour cream and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.